Are you planning to visit one of the most famous archaeological sites in the world? If so, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll be exploring Chichen Itza, including the best time to visit and what you can expect on a self-guided walking tour. We'll also provide some tips and tricks to ensure that you get the most from your visit. By the end of this video, you'll know what to expect when exploring Chichen Itza. Visiting Chichen Itza in Mexico is a great way to explore the Mayan ruins and learn about its fascinating history. When planning your visit, it is important to consider the best season for optimal weather and a comfortable self-guided walking tour. We will discuss the seasons and their respective advantages in order to determine which time of year offers the most enjoyable experience at this popular tourist destination. The peak travel times for visiting Chichen Itza are from November through April, when temperatures are cooler with little rain and plenty of sunshine. If you plan on going during these months, be sure to book your tickets well in advance as there can be a lot of competition for space. During these months, visitors will also enjoy clear skies, which make taking photographs easier than other times of year where cloud cover may impede visibility. Alternatively, summer months, May through October, still offer warm temperatures but typically feature more humidity and scattered showers radiating across sunny days throughout the region. Even during rainy periods, however, most activities continue uninterrupted since they don't include prolonged outdoor exposure, while pack rain gear just in case. Taking into consideration both seasons, we recommend aiming for mid-April or mid-October. Certain locations, such as jungle regions, have its own climate, however it is less common due to high temperatures and a higher chance of rainfall. Please keep this in mind while you plan your holiday if you intend to visit specific places. In conclusion, by taking into account key factors such as clear skies, warmth without excessive humidity, minimal chances of precipitation risk, and couple challenging locations as contingency plans for last-minute changes according to changing local meteorological patterns in advance, travelers can optimize overall visits in a rewarding manner. If you do decide to tour Chichen Itza during its sweltering summer season, be sure to come prepared. Load up on water and sunscreen to make your visit safe and fun. Visit our website at www.actiontourguide.com for extra information and historical or fascinating facts.